Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Rick. I'd like to give you a few tips and techniques for helping your child to play and learn with Galaxy Academy. But first, I'd like to just encourage you. You don't have to be an expert in English to help your child learn. Simply spend 15 minutes per day practicing with your child. It's a great way to spend quality time with your child. Plus, you'll both be able to speak English more fluently. In this unit, we're going to be learning about things to drink. Our vocabulary is water, juice, milk, and tea. Our sentence frame is, this is water. This is water. Juice. This is juice. Milk. This is milk. Tea. This is tea. Look in your activity sheets that you received in your email. You see your flashcards, just like in the last lesson. Cut those out, and then you can practice with your kids. Just like in the learning path inside Galaxy Academy. This is a big C. This is a little c. The letter C is one of those that has two different sounds. The first sound is a hard sound, K. K. It's the same sound as the letter K, K. The second sound is a soft sound, like the letter S. The second sound is S. For this unit, we're only teaching the first sound, K. Okay? So all of our words start with a K sound. In your activity book, you'll find your phonics flashcards for this unit. Our main phonics words we're using are cat, cow, cake, and cub. Or you can have your child cut them out as well. They can enjoy doing that, and then they can practice. So have them practice saying their words out loud to you. Also, in your activity book, you're going to find the rest of our letter C, our K sound C phonics words. So the words are K can, K cat, K cop, K cub, K car, K coat, K cow, K cut, K cake, K cone, K corn, and K cart. And then there's a fun little maze. Connect all the words that start with C to get from start to finish. So have fun practicing English with your kids. And remember, parents, you are your child's first and most important teacher. So have fun practicing with your kids. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next unit.
Galaxy Academy!